Today I am going to show how to make assembly. Okay, let's start. Just go to new and click assembly and click OK. Now go to your main part. Just at first this is my part. Just click this part and click open. Just click. Again go to this insert component and choose your part. Yes, this is my part. Just click this and click open. Just it is open in this. Okay. Now I click this on this, right click and click float. Yes, now just click this here and just click show and click this and click this view origin. Yes, now go to insert component, matte, go to matte, click this matte and click this point, origin point, and click this origin point. Now make sure it is coincident and click OK. Yes, now again click this origin point and click this origin point. Make sure it is coincident and click OK. Yes, now click OK. Now go to insert component and go to this part. Yes, just click part which you needed and just click open, and just I click this here and again I will go to insert component and just choose my part. This is my part. Just click this and click open. Just click this. Yes, now I'll click on this, go to matte and click this origin point and click this origin point. Make sure it is coincident and click OK. Now again click this origin point and click this origin point. Make sure it is coincident and click OK. Yes, our assembly is completed. So now I click this OK. Yes, just click here. Yeah, and just go to this exploded view and just click the move it for better understand. Just and select OK. Now click on this part and just drag it in this side and right click. Again click this on this part and drag it right side. Yes, and right click. Again this part and just drag it right side and click right click. Again this on this part and drag it negative direction and again right click. Now our assembly is done. So just click OK. Now yes, Now go to this assembly and right click and just click this collapse. Yes, now it is collapsible, and again go to this assembly part and right click and click animate explode. Just click animate explode. Now see, it is starting animation. Yes, now see. Okay, yes, now see. Thank you for watching for this.